Hi, uh, hope you are all fine. So I am Anupa, working as assistant professor in CSE department. So today we are going to have a discussion on looping statements. So looping statements are also known as iteration statements. We know what is an iteration, right? So iteration means we are performing a particular function repeatedly. So this looping statements, it allow a set of functions to perform repeatedly until a condition is satisfied. So we will be giving a condition. Till that condition is reached, we will perform a set of functions repeatedly. Now C++ provides three types of looping statements: a for loop, while loop, and a do while loop. Now we will see what are the important parts of a loop. Now a loop generally contains four elements. First is initialization, second is test, third is update, and fourth one is body of the loop. Now first we will see what is initialization expression. So initialization, we have already seen how we initialize a variable. So initialization means we are giving a first value, initial value, right? So before entering the loop, its test variable or control variable must be initialized. So initialization expression gives control variable the first value. Now what is a control variable? In order to control the loop, we will be using a variable that is known as test variable or control variable. Initial expression is executed only once in the beginning of the loop. Why? This is mainly used to initialize the value. So we will be initializing only one time, right? So initial expression will be executed only once in the beginning of the loop. Now second one is the test expression. So as the name denotes, it is used for testing. Okay, so it is an expression whose truth value decides whether the loop body gets executed or the loop will be terminated. Okay, so if the expression is true, the body of the loop will be executed. If the expression is false, the loop will be terminated. You will understand more about this when we see an example. So till now you just study what are the parts in a loop. Now there are two types of loop control we can have. It's entry control loop and exit control loop. So entry control loop means the text expression is evaluated before entering into the loop. So in an exit control loop, test expression is evaluated before exiting the loop. So that is the difference between entry control loop and exit control loop. Now the examples for entry control loop are for and while, and exit control are do while. So what's this meaning? The test expression is evaluated before entering into the loop. First, test expression will be checked. If it is true, we will go into the loop. But in the case of exit control, first we will execute the body of the loop. At the end of execution only, we will be testing the expression. We will execute that test. So if it is true, we will again execute the body of the loop. If it is false, we will exit the loop. Now the third part is update expression. So what is update? Will be changing the value, right? So the changing the value of loop control variable is known as update expression. So first we saw how we will be initializing the loop control variable. Now this part, it updates the value of the loop control variable. Now the update expression is executed at the end of a loop after execution of the loop body. Okay, so it depends on the what entry control or exit control. Now last one is body of the loop. So body of the loop, statements that are executed repeatedly forms the body of the loop. So we already saw told that a loop means in a loop the statements will be repeatedly executed. So that set of statements which are repeatedly executed are known as body of the body of loop was printing I. First I was 0, then it will check whether I is less than n. If it is true, the body of loop will execute. If it is false, it will exit from this loop. So this is the flow chart. Initialization expression, then it comes to test expression, then it will execute the body, then updation will happen. After update operation, it will again go to test expression. If it is true, it will execute the body of the loop, and if it is false, it will execute the exit operation. Okay, so let me write true here, and if it is false, it will exit from the loop. So I hope you are clear with this for loop. Okay, so we will see an example of for loop. So write a program to print multiplication table of entered numbers up to 10. Okay, so if we are giving a particular number, then its multiplication table up to 10 we have to get as the output. So see the program hash include iostream.h, our header file hash include conio.h and the header file. Now void main, first is clear screen. Why we are using this command is, first we have to clear the screen. Then we are initializing two variables I and n. So I and n we are initializing, then we are printing enter a number. So we are receiving a number in variable n. Then we are checking the number via for loop. So first is for I equal to 0, I less than or equal to 10, I plus plus. So first we are initializing I as 0, then we are checking whether I is less than or equal to 10, then we are updating I as I plus plus. Okay, so first I equal to 0. Okay, so I equal to 0. Here when we check I is less than 10, so we will go to body of the loop. So here what is in body of loop? Slash n. So slash n is for getting a new line I. So here I is 0. 0 into n. So n here, n, if I am giving 7, 0 into 7 equal to, here I will get 0, right? Then after this, again value of I is updated to 1. So I will be incremented to 1. Again it will be checking whether 1 is less than or equal to 10. It is less than or equal to 10. So again it will go here, new line 1 into 7 equal to 7. So this whole loop will be executed till I value of I reaches 10. Once it is updated to 11, here the condition becomes false and the loop will get exited. Okay, we will not execute the rest of the statements in the for loop. Okay, hope you're clear with this for loop. So in the next class we will see next loop command, that is while statement. Okay, thanks for watching.